Have you ever wondered what a good brand with good content looks like that's crushing the online space right now? Well, I'm here to tell you, always in motion. And today I'll be breaking down their content, marketing strategy, and their branding. So let's get to it. So, right off the bat, some things that stand out to me: the simple logo and the simple colors. And then the next thing is simple bio. That is super important because a super simple bio, and here's they have performance style yours. They have kind of their catchphrase there, and then by it's Dylan Ray, that's the founder. And then it says shop now and directs you to this link tree, which is where they have all their links, the store, the socials, everything. I highly recommend having a super simple bio and making sure to have a call to action and making sure to have like your phrase for your brand in there. And then you scroll down, you see their highlights. You see that there's about 4 with color and then 3 without color. I don't really know what they are, honestly. No, cut that out. Highlights are very good. I would just say maybe either have them all one color or have them different. I don't really get. So this is one thing that they could improve on. But I mean, they're already doing great. When am I to tell them anything? And you scroll down, and you see that they have a mix of a lot of type of content. So if you see the first 3 pinned, first one is the commercial for their new croc eye colored glasses. And then the second one is another film for their other pearly white glasses. And then you just see the other pinned one is just a bunch of people wearing them. Pretty simple, pretty cool. And then as you scroll down, you see that there's a mix of lifestyle content. So we have this guy just literally running. We have different photos. They have lots of combinations of photos of people. So they're very community focused. So that is one big thing, community focus. And that is super important when building a brand, because as you scroll and watch their content, you're gonna find their style. You're gonna see what type of people they attract. They also have BTS posts, which I highly recommend. So BTS, very important because it kind of shows you the raw of them making the short film for their croc-eye glasses. Super cool. You see, there's like marathon photos. There's like all this cool stuff. So make sure you post posts and videos and reels that correlate with your brand's culture. And you see that all these tie together basically. They're all runners. That one, have great fits on. 2, look very professional. 3, are just fun. It's a fun culture. In this culture of working hard and winning. So just to refresh, they have simple logos, simple colors. You do not want to make your brand too complicated. They literally just have AIM, always in motion, in white, and then they have their signature orange color. Make sure to have a signature color. And don't make it too complicated. And you've never really seen this color around, have you? So try to make it like a unique color. They have simple layouts. They are community focused. They have people posting. They have a bunch of UGC creators. They sponsor a lot of people. They send their glasses to a lot of people. That is super important, especially for a product-based company, is that you try to get as much people as possible wearing, repping your products you have. And in here, you see that they have so many people that are all consistently posting. They're all like the same type of the content creator, the runner, the influencer. BTS have BTS posts. Also, make sure to pin your highest quality or best like video reel you have. High quality content. So if that's like a film, if that's like a little teaser, make sure you post that. So when they see it, they see kind of the founding story, the little vibe behind the brand. And also have highlights, because the highlights are kind of stories, and stories are more raw, more personal, and you really want to show that personal side of the brand. And you see they have of a lot of different highlights, and you see most of them are the orange color, and then they just have some that are different. But it's okay, it's great, we love it, and this brand's doing well. If that brand's watching me, if Always in Motion, if you're watching this, you guys are doing great. You're crushing it right now on Instagram and in the online space. And if you own a business that's similar or sells products, watch this video, go to Always in Motion, study the content, study everything, the brand culture, and just try to replicate it in your own way, own unique way. Thanks for watching. If you need help crafting your brand culture and you're actually serious about locking in, making those big bills in 2026, click the link in the description down below, fill out the form, you can have a free consultation call with me, and I can help you with your brand and making you the big bucks. Thanks for watching. Peace.